Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to find VRAM, that is also known as Video Random Access Memory. In this video, we will guide you on how to find VRAM on your Windows 11 machine. So what you have to do is first click on the start button and select here settings option. If you don't find here settings, then right click on the start button and select settings. This will open settings on your PC. Here select system on the left side. On the right click on the display option. Then scroll down and click the advanced display option in the related settings section. Here click on the display adapter properties. Now on the adapter tab you can see here dedicated video memory. This is your VRAM, dedicated video memory. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to our channel Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of videos, tutorials are awaiting for you. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.